Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have this gold foil Arabic look for you with a hint of glitter. So I'm starting off by using the shade Boundaries, which is from the Naked Reloaded palette, and I'm popping this into my crease just to warm things up. I'm taking this on a fluffy brush and I'm just going back and forth in the crease from the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner of the eye. Next I'm taking the Arabian Dazzle dust, and this is number 44. And I'm patting this all over the lid with a flat shader brush. I've sprayed a little bit of water on the brush. This will help foil the shadow and give it that metallic look. This is a good trick if you find that your eyeshadows are not that pigmented. If you just spray a little bit of water on your brush, it'll help make the eyeshadows pop a bit more. Eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Eyeshadow Gel Liner, and I'm taking a Morphe M217 brush. If you find it tricky using a pointed brush like this, you can always try using an angled brush. Using an angled brush will also help you with your wing as well, if you struggle with these types of brushes. So as always, I'm starting off by creating a line along my lash line. Then once I've done that, I'm going to create my wing. So I'm going to start off by creating my first line, and because I'm using tape today, this will help me create a nice sharp edge. Then I'm going to create another line just a little bit above it to create a triangle shape, and then start filling it in, and then just neatening everything up. Using the Rimmel Kohl pencil, I'm going to line my waterline top and bottom. Then once I've done that, I'm going to connect the top liner with the bottom liner, and then sharpen up my point in the inner corner of my eye. Taking the shade Endgame, and I'm using this on a pencil brush, and I'm applying this along my lower lash line, smudging that Kohl pencil in. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and then apply some falsies, and I'm using the Ardell Mink Wispy Lashes today. Then to finish off the lashes, I'm just going to apply a bit of mascara to blend everything together. For my glitter, I'm using the Collection's Glam Crystal Dazzle Gel Liner, and I'm just applying a thin line of this on top of the shade Endgame that we just applied. And this is the end result. If you enjoyed watching this, please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.